Hindi ko inakala na mapapasara namin ang kalsada na to sa Makati at mapupuno ng tao. Madalas kasi dinadaanan lang to ng madaming kotse. This is Paseo de Roas in Makati. Last December 7 to 8, nag-hold kami ng isang event called Makati Street Meet, Slay the Streets. Sinarado yung side na to ng Paseo de Roas to accommodate booths, activities, bicycles, and people. Siguro ngayong taon, napansin nyo na madaming kalsada ang napapasara. Car-free streets, kung saan malayo nakakapaglakad ang mga tao, mga bata, alagang hayop na walang takot na masasagasaan sila ng mabilis na kotse. And I'm glad that we had this opportunity to organize an event to celebrate the festive season with everyone. May mga palaro, bike lessons, EKS lessons, kainan, tambayan, and overall, kasiyahan among friends and strangers. Isang successful car-free event with so many merchants and attendees. More than 10,000 people. Sana makagawa rin kayo ng ganitong car-free event sa mga lugar nyo. I'm thankful for all the merchants who supported and joined us for the 2 days. Thank you sa event partners namin, Make It Makati and Ayala Land. Sa aming sponsors, Bebang Halo-Halo, Citadines Benavides Makati, McDonald's, Vector, and Yellow Cab. Thank you NACTO and PopCycle for being our mobility partners. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta at bumisita. As we close 2024, I wish to see more car-free streets and events next year. Happy New Year, everyone!